Hi guys, welcome to Hardware and Info channel. Today I have ASUS Rog Phone 8 Pro and I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have a connect with internet but you can't surf in it. To fix it, we must go back to the main menu of our smartphone where we look for settings application. Now we scroll down to the system option where we tap on date and time. Now we must switch on first function set time automatically. After that, all would work. We can go back to the Google Chrome and it is working right now. We can search something, but we must turn off it and we have it in normal color. See you soon. Bye.